Well, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. I got some chicken wings, which I brought a pack of chicken wings, about 500 wings in it. Look how amount of wings in it. But one, I can't even count them, about 500 a drop. It's not 500. Probably about 20 pieces. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to do a lovely, nice, marinated barbecue wings at home in your kitchen for Thanksgiving Day. You know what I mean? I'm gonna cook it off and all and thing there, but the best thing what you need to do is to make sure I did a video a couple weeks ago, or I fry my chicken wings and all these things, spicy fried chicken wings, and now I'm gonna do a barbecue one to show you exactly. Let's jump into it. Okay, first thing, I got some fresh thyme. Also, I'm gonna pop on it. I love my fresh ingredients, and you know what I mean, I love to work with my fresh ingredients. I also have a piece of a white onion, which I'm going to simple cut up. So let's go into business. So if you cut up your white onion really fine and put it straight inside of it, you know what I mean, you don't have to put all of these things what I'm putting, you know what I mean, because it's barbecue chicken wings. But me personally, if you're going to do something lovely at home, you can't go wrong. Spring onion is a must. That just cook out inside of it and bring in a lovely flavor to the chicken. You might wonder, what is spring onion? Go to your local supermarket or your local shop. Tell them that you saw spring onion on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel and you don't know what is it, so you don't like to know what is it. Anyway, spring onion definitely give anything what you're doing at home, give it a lot of flavor and a lot of taste. Alright guys, so something you learn right there. Secondly, I got roughly 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6 pieces of garlic. If you do not have one of these garlic squeezer, you need to get one. How are you going to get it? Go to chefricardo.co.uk, go to stores, order it, and then we ship it to you. Secondly, as you can see, this garlic squeezer named garlic stress-free squeezer. You know what I mean? Look at this. The garlic them still have the trash on it. And look at this. Oh my god. Some people been wondering what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do nothing. Look, I'm just gonna put it straight inside of it. And I'm gonna look at. I'm gonna put 2 at a time. Alright? To show you how good this garlic squeezer is. Really good. Look at this. Look at the garlic coming out of it. Lovely. And not only that, it takes out every single bit of the garlic when you're squeezing it. Alright? Now I'm gonna get another one and put it straight inside of it. Lovely and nice. Look at that. Just come on, lovely. It's amazing. It is amazing. I love this garlic squeezer. This one. Nice one. It's just amazing. And this garlic squeezer is for life. Can't done. Can't never done. It's for life. Wow. Beautiful. And look at it, just come up with the trash. Beautiful. So this is a garlic trash and nice. It's just nice. I love it. It's just amazing, guys. And I know you guys definitely need to get one of these ones. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, I need to get one, but a lot of people say they're not getting through on my website. My website is working very good. Go to chefricardo.co.uk. Can't go wrong. Alright, now we're going to marinate up the chicken wings. Let's go into business. We're going to put a teaspoon of mixed herb. Every time I'm cooking, I'm using mixed herb. I have to, guys. Mixed herb is a must. 1 tablespoon of chicken season. Most of the 2 ingredients I normally use. You know what I mean? Bringing a lovely flavor. And we're going to put on some pepper. Don't get me wrong. I got Chef Ricardo natural blending season, but I let it be spicy, you know what I mean? And who I'm doing it for doesn't like spice. We're gonna put on a little bit of dark soy sauce. And the soy sauce have a little bit of salt, so you have to be careful. Alright guys. Now I have this is some barbecue sauce, you know what I mean? I can make my own barbecue sauce, but if you're at home and you want to do something for the kids them for Thanksgiving Day, there's gonna be a lot of rushing, a lot of things, so you don't have the time. Just go some bam. And just put some barbecue sauce on it like this. Empty out the backer. Don't be shy. Everyone do this at home. Smell that chicken in the oven at the moment. Now we're gonna put on about 4 tablespoons of ketchup. That is beautiful and nice. That is fantastic. Alright. So what we're gonna do is give it a lovely mix up. Alright. That is amazing. Look at that. Fantastic. Really lovely. This is exactly what I'm talking about. And just a simple little marinating, guys. You know what I mean? Just the time and bits and pieces they put together to your meat. But I must say to you, when you're marinating it, before you marinate your chicken or your beef or anything, always wash it off with lemon juice or some white vinegar or some lime. You know? Yep. Get in it. Get in the flavor. Get in the flavor, Chef Ricardo. Get in the meat. Mix it up. Mix it up. Get it right there. That's beautiful and fantastic and nice. Barbecue chicken wings. This is a simple recipe. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna simply cook them off right now. No time to waste. Just to show you guys. But if you're gonna do this for Thanksgiving Day, make sure you marinate it and put it down for it to soak for 24 hours. You know what I mean? From the day before. You know what I mean? But me now, I'm just gonna cook off this because I'm hungry. I want some food to eat. So that's, I don't have any choice. No, more than just have to just simple cook it off. Alright? That is fantastic and nice. Beautiful. Look at that. So when that cook, oh, I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love this one. It's going to be amazing. That is going to be amazing. And that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas. And as I said, if you're going to cook this off in the oven, we're always using 2 types of oven, electric or gas. Alright? So basically, if you're using electric oven like I'm using, it's going to be 165 to 175. Always put it on a medium size heat, not a high temperature, because you don't want to burn up your meat. If you're using gas mark, it's going to be gas mark 6 or 7. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus. Get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team. Alright? And I definitely will see you again with more and more and more good recipe. So let's cook it off and see it come out. Lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So basically that's the chicken wings, barbecue chicken wings which I just prepared. They're looking lovely and nice, but the way I didn't want it to come out, to be honest, it's nice. I'm not complaining. It's nice. So give it a try, give it a go, guys, and see exactly what different you will make it come out. But I'm happy with it still. So yeah, enjoy it, and see you next time with more recipe, and stay tuned. See you. Bye bye. Nice and beautiful. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I'm always doing chicken. No one can stop me from cooking chicken unless, you know what I mean, someone requests something different. Anyway, chicken on the menu one more time again with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen with a cooking show. I'm going to show you how to marinate the chicken first. And once you marinate the chicken, you put it down for 24 hours and you cook it, or you can cook it in 12 hours time. First thing, I'm going to show you how to marinate it, prepare it, and get it ready. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to marinate it and I'm going to cook it immediately, instantly. Alright? Anyway, you need some fresh thyme. So right here I have some fresh thyme which I brought from the supermarket. You might have wondered, what is thyme? Thyme is what everyone used to cook with. Alright? So today chicken, I'm going to be doing you some garlic and honey baked chicken. Alright? Garlic and honey baked chicken. So basically right here I put on some fresh thyme, and thyme is a must. Alright? Secondly, I'm going to put on some pepper. This is some cracked pepper, and this is a grounded pepper which you can get in the supermarket, on the high street, on the local shop, you can get it to buy. Alright guys. So secondly, what I'm gonna do, I have a medium-sized white onion, and I'm gonna be using just half of it. I'm not gonna be using the whole of it. I mean, this guy's a lot. I'm gonna use roughly about half. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it up very finely. As you can see, what I'm doing right here, I'm just gonna cut it up really finely, and I'm gonna pop that straight inside on the chicken. That is lovely and amazing. I love my chicken, guys, and I'm always eating chicken. You know what I mean? But also I'm a vegetarian sometimes. Anyway, but it's a lovely recipe. Spring onion is a must. So I'm gonna cut up some spring onion and, you know what I mean, put on the chicken. But before you season your chicken, always wash your chicken with lemon juice or white vinegar. Alright? Some people don't wash their meat, but I come back and see my grandmother washing her chicken. Alright? Alright. So we have pepper and we have spring onion, we have fresh thyme. What we're gonna do now is put on a little bit of chicken season. 1 tablespoon of chicken season. I'm using a large tablespoon. You can get that in the local shop or supermarket to buy. Chicken season is a must. You know what I mean? Now we're going to put a tablespoon of mixed herb. I like my herb, so I'm going to put on a tablespoon of it. And you know what I mean? It's going to come out lovely and nice. Honestly, it's going to be amazing. Trust me, you guys will love this one. It's just something different, and you know what I mean? It's something really fantastic and really nice. Alright? So, where we are at the moment, I need to find another season, but I can't, anyway, I can't find it. But what I'm going to do, I have some smoked paprika. I'm just going to put a little bit of the smoked paprika upon it. May give that little bit of flavor with the smoked paprika, yeah? That's alright. Use it up, why not? So I put a pinch of the smoked paprika because it's very strong and I don't want to put too much. Alright guys? Lovely. So the chicken looking good so far. What I'm going to do, I have 4 cloves of garlic which I'm going to squeeze inside of it. If you don't have one of these garlic squeezers, you need to get one. How are you going to get it? Go to chefricardo.co.uk and purchase it and we ship it to you. Look at that. See how that come out lovely and nice? No stress. Alright, that's what this garlic squeezer name. No stress. Alright, you just take off a little bit of the outside of the trash, put it straight inside of it and squeeze it out like that. You know what I mean? Everything come out lovely and nice. Really nice. Alright, so I'm using 4 cloves of garlic. Look at that. Look how the garlic will come out lovely and nice. That is beautiful. Oh, it's amazing. I love this. In it again, squeeze it. This is amazing. This garlic squeezer name, no stress. A lot of people gonna stress themselves and try to get the trash off the garlic, but chop up all them finger with this garlic squeezer. You don't need to. Alright. So we're going to put on your favorite honey. Alright. Now 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons of honey. We're going to put on it right there. I'm not measuring it, guys. I'm just using my eyes for measurement. Alright. So 4 tablespoons of honey. We're going to put a little bit of ketchup. Not much. It's a tiny bit of ketchup on it, and that's going to bring in a lovely flavor to it also. Also I have some soy sauce. This is some dark soy sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of dark soy sauce on it. Not much, just a tiny bit to bring in a lovely flavor to it. Alright, oyster sauce. A lot of people doesn't use oyster sauce. I like oyster sauce, it's really nice. Can put a little bit on it, and that to bring in the flavor also on the chicken. That is beautiful and nice. When you're in the kitchen and you're cooking something lovely and nice. Alright, what you need to do is to make sure you have a gloves. Because of these spices, you don't want to use a hand and then you forgot to wash your hand and put your hand in your eye. You know what I mean? That can damage a lot more stuff where you have to go to, you know what I mean, the doctor. So avoiding that, what we're going to do, we're going to rub up the chicken. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, boy, you're one of the best chefs in the world. Yes, I am the best chef in the world. Now we're just going to pop a little bit of olive oil on it or vegetable oil, not much, just a tiny bit, because to free up the chicken with the oil, gonna make the honey circulate and to get the chicken free up, you know what I mean? Beautiful chicken. Look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing. Look at that. That's what I call a proper amazing baked chicken to chuck in the oven. So this chicken now gonna take less than 35 to 40 minutes, all right, on a medium-sized heat. If you're using electric oven, I'm gonna show you. If you're using electric oven, because a lot of people have either two type of oven, either electric or gas, all right. Electric oven 165 to 175. Gas mark, you're gonna use either 6 or 7. Now I'm gonna put my chicken on a piece of a grease-proof paper, just like this. And honestly, you don't need to stress yourself, because if you're in a rush and you want to do something quickly, this is where Chef Ricardo come and fill that gap with this beautiful chicken recipe. All right, that is fantastic. Look at that beautiful chicken, guys. Beautiful, really, really, really nice. You might ask Chef Ricardo, where you get that recipe from? Well, my great grandma gave me this recipe, and I still have it in my brain. Oh, I'm joking. Chef Ricardo recipe. All right, guys, beautiful. So that's the chicken. This is just a very quick recipe, you know what I mean? If you're at home and you want to do something quick for the kids them, you know what I mean? So we're going to put this in the oven. We're going to bake this chicken for say at least 35 to 40 minutes. It will take for it to bake. All right, it may go over another 2 or 3 minutes, but the least it will take is less than 40 minutes. All right, but as I say, if you're using gas mark, you're gonna be gas mark 6 or 7. Electric oven, as I say, 165 to 175, because I always have number on there, so you have to have a number to work with. All right, our 165 Celsius. So guys, when you're doing this chicken, you need to put it in the middle of the oven, not on top, because you don't want to burn up the chicken. Now let's put it straight in the oven, get it baked, and get that nice and lovely chicken, guys. Beautiful and fantastic. So guys, hopefully you will love the recipe. Please leave your comments, and as I said, subscribe is very important. All right, so stay tuned, and now we're going to chuck this in the oven for you, and hopefully you guys will love it. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. So basically, I just take my chicken, garlic and onion roast chicken from the oven, and honestly, if you ever see this chicken like this, guys, you'll be crying, tears will be coming from your eye. You'll be saying, Chef Ricardo, I can't believe the chicken looks amazing. The chicken looks amazing. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning into the Chef Ricardo show. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna plate it up with some rice and make you guys see how it look on the plate. Honestly, the chicken is amazing. I love it. It come out really perfect, nice and lovely. Garlic and honey roast chicken. You can do this for Thanksgiving Day. Put something extra on the table for dinner and Thanksgiving Day, guys. So enjoy the recipe. Log on to Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye. So that look nice and lovely. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Chicken come out lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipe coming up like this, and a lot more ideas, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.